Welcome to our tutorial on how to display your WooCommerce products in a searchable table layout with filters, all for free. In this video, we'll be using a powerful plugin called Product Table for WooCommerce, developed by Code Astrology. With this plugin, you can create an organized and user-friendly table view for your products. Let's get started. Product Table plugin helps you to display your WooCommerce products in a searchable table layout with filters. Add a table on any page or post via a shortcode. You can create tables as many as you want. Create a table for restaurant order systems, online music sell, product wholesale, course booking, or selling books and many more. As you can view, Product Table will have a sleek and user-friendly design. The Ajax-based search bar allows customers to quickly search for specific products without the need to reload the page. In addition, this plugin provides the convenience of adding multiple products to the cart simultaneously. Customers can simply select the desired products from the table and add them all to their cart with just a few clicks. To begin, make sure you have the Product Table for WooCommerce plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. Start by adding a new product table. Once the table is created, you can customize various options according to your preferences. From Column tab, you can modify and adjust the table settings, such as the number of columns, product information displayed, and other options to make it truly unique. If not set any column for mobile and tablet, our plugin will generate a mobile responsive table automatically. Turn off auto-responsive if you don't want an auto-responsive table. We can also select different columns for tablets and mobile views. This is a free feature. You can choose to set columns for tablets and mobile devices separately. Otherwise, the desktop columns will be displayed on tablets. In the query settings, we can set up display data settings and product order. In the design settings, we can select 4 different display settings. More customization options are only available in the Pro version. Table options. We can choose to display pagination or the header section if they are not needed, or change the text in the table. You can configure the settings according to your preferences. The advanced search box option is also available. If you don't need it, you can disable it. for Publish Product Table and then copy this shortcode and paste to your desired page. Let's play around with all the settings again. Please follow my steps. This plugin has some pre-built design templates. You can switch between design templates to change the table design. Although I am using the free version of the plugin, I have received incredibly fast and dedicated support in solving my issues. They even created an entire plugin update just for me. You can try the Pro version for more advanced features. I will add the plugin link in the video description. I hope this is helpful for you in adding product tables with search filters to your website. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.